Now what I like to do and stuff is that I like to go ahead and check for cracks on these blocks here. This is called an insulation block or heat block. Yeah, it's no good anymore. It's okay. I'll get it out. Toolson. So this has a Tilson carburetor. I don't see these too much anymore. It's been about several years since I've seen these little Tilson carburetors. I hope I can still get a kit for this. I might need it. Oh, I forgot one more thing, YouTubers. Somebody has been in the comments. I think somebody's been putting down a small little comment and stuff with something that leads to a website. Now these websites are pornographic in nature, but the thing is that I always say that I don't have to do anything with these websites, and also these websites. Most likely they have some kind of a real bad virus attached to them. So what I've done is that I ask you, don't go to these, do not click on them, onto these websites. And also remember that they have a very bad virus, and please go ahead and report those, because they got nothing to do with me. I'm a part of nothing with that. Just want to keep you guys. Okay, there we go. So I got the clip off. So, yes. What do you need? I'll be right with you guys. I'll be right back.